What if Africa became one country, with one leader, one army, and one currency?
This wasn't a dream.
It was a real plan.
In the late 20th and early 21st century, Africa was changing.
And one of the most controversial leaders on the continent
Was Muammar Gaddafi of Libya. Gaddafi came to power with bold ideas.
He spoke about independence, control of resources, and African pride. But his biggest idea was something far more ambitious.
Gaddafi wanted a United States of Africa,
One government.
one army, and even one currency,
He believed this would make Africa stronger, independent.
and globally powerful,
He pushed this idea in meetings across the continent.
trying to convince other African leaders to join. Some leaders supported him, others were cautious. The idea of giving up national power was not easy,
Debates grew.
and the vision faced resistance.
But here's what many people don't realize.
This plan almost became real. Gaddafi invested heavily in African projects,
He supported unity movements, and he used his influence to push the idea forward. But political differences, trust issues, and global pressure
slowed everything down.
Some say his vision was too fast.
For its time, even today, the idea of African unity continues through organizations like the African Union. The dream didn't disappear, it evolved. Muammar Gaddafi didn't just lead a country.
He imagined a united continent, a vision that still raises one question.
What if it had happened?
Subscribe to Hidden Africa for more untold stories like this, because Africa's greatest ideas
Are still shaping the future.